Woo! What the heck? Oh my God! Woo! Woo! Wow! Woo! Holy crap! That was so good! Well, this is it. This is the start of the ski season. And just up here.
Don't video my bum.
I'm just up here. Look at the snow in the mountains already. It's November 2nd. And I didn't quite drive up as far as I wanted, which would have been to the gate. But I think we're only like a kilometer from the gate, headed back up to Brohm Ridge, and Jen's hiding in those trees somewhere. November 2nd, and we're going. Oh, that looks gnarly. And we're gonna check for Jen, and there she comes. As you can see, she's getting closer and closer. Oh, there she is. Oh. And there she goes. We're just reaching our first little mini summit of the day. Oh, look where we're going. Right up to that peak up there. Remember, that's where those guys were snowmobiling off of. Wow, so much more snow than last year. Woohoo! Jen is going to basically skin down this part. But I want to ski down. So there's a sin skiing in the backcountry I just did, but my ski is not going anywhere. So honestly, when you take before you take your skins off, you should always turn your bindings, because your ski could just run away. Oh, let's turn bindings. And now my brakes are engaged and it ain't gonna run away. So this one, I'll just turn it, and then my brakes engaged, and we're good to go. First actual turns of this season. It's a bit crusty under here. Oh, but it's nice, but it's lumpy. Woo, yeah. Wow. Okay. Through here without hitting the rest of the rock. Woohoo! Oh, it's so lumpy. Jen down! Jen down! Oh.
Are you gonna spray me?
No. So you got going a little fast and no heel in.
Yeah, exactly.
You could have put your heel in.
So, yeah, that's true.
Well, just so you know, that was shitty.
The landing is a little bit.
It's harsh. All right, well, Jen wins the wipeout of the first wipeout of the year award.
It's Wipeout Wednesday too.
Oh, and it's Wipeout Wednesday, but I didn't get it on video. Coming up to the cabin here. That didn't take us very long at all. That's pretty much halfway from where we started, I think. So we're going up there. I think we're gonna hit that peak right up there, and yeah, we'll see what comes of it. But there is lots of snow. Mind you, there's definitely a melt freeze under here. Actually going through my first little Abbey debris of the season here, and it's south facing, so you're gonna get the heating in the afternoon. You can see it's just coming up from the top of the ridge here. Probably right out of this chute. Yeah, came right down out of this chute here, and still that's pretty soft, but yeah, avies do happen even in November. Well, you always know in all the videos that the camera guy got there first, so yeah, there's already tracks here. But anyways, honestly, this is gonna be so epic. I cannot believe the coverage. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's all I got. Wow. Holy. Well, we're gonna go, we're gonna start off up there, and then hopefully we're gonna dig a little pit, and then we're gonna ski down the backside there, and then do a little hike up, and then maybe ski down, and then maybe go up and then ski down. I don't know, we'll see how the timing is, but and how the legs feel. Jen's just there somewhere. I think she got hungry. I scarfed down my lunch. Jen is just gonna eat hers, and I'm just gonna dig a little pit here. So basically I've got, the height of snow is 90 centimeters. Yeah, so that's, the report was 100, man. It's close, eh? I'm just gonna dig a little pit here. I did not expect this much snow, I gotta say. You know that? So when you're digging your pit, you want your walls to be very vertical. So that's why you have this shovel that's very flat. Don't get those round ones, they're terrible. And they're small too. So let's just see here. There's our first layer. Right here. I think that's a melt freeze. That's from yesterday. There's another one right below it. So there's the crust right here. That is like, so the melt freeze crust is 5 centimeters. Check that out. That's 5 centimeters thick. That layer. That's that we've been just crunching down to. And then we've got nothing, 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 nothing. And then we get another layer down here. And we'll keep going down. And that's just, now we're just getting into the mush. So that is, oh, that's a, wow, and there's the base. So we've got, definitely this is heating down here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. All right, so we dug this side out. This side we cut out, and we're gonna make a pie here. This little snow pie. You can always feel the first layer. So here's our first layer. Would you like some pie? All right, now we cut our column and gonna do a test. Test 1, 2, and see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing moved. Not even the top layer. Nothing. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our top layer is broke off. That's on the melt freeze there. on CT16, but that's what we're gonna ski on, so we don't really care about that. 7, 8, 9, 10. And then, so on CT20, we got zero movement on CT20. All right, let's go for our big wax now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got one there on CT24. That's a good one. That, and that is sitting on, that's definitely on whore. That's sitting on whore. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at that. That's all whore. That's all surface whore.
At what?
CT24.
24.
So now the thing is decipher that on what do you think? I still think we're okay. Like, this is pretty mellow terrain. But that's definitely surface whore. You should come and see this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Let's see if we cracked it off anywhere. No, that's it. All right, so that's our only concern, is this layer here.
It took a lot to get that.
That was a CT24. It took a lot to crack that off, but it is sitting on the sign here. Oh my God, this is full powder.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Barry's Peak.
So beautiful.
Okay, do a couple of turns at least before you try to get a shot of me. Maybe you can tell me where to go. Oh yeah, Jen! Okay, ready? Okay, here we go. Woo! What the heck? Oh my God! Woo! Woo! Wow! Woo! Holy crap! That was so good!
Ready?
Yeah, Jen. Oh, yeah. And how was that?
Amazing!
You didn't put your goggles down.
I know.
Whoa! How that worked, I think. Come in behind me.
Powder 8.
Powder 8. Oh! Yo! Oh, this is nice. What?
Yeah.
Woo! Woohoo! You!
Powder 8. There it is.
Oh, that's awesome. We won't win, but that's pretty cool. It's not the first person did a great job. The second person did a shit job. Fuck, I hope I got a decent one. Wipeout Wednesday.
Ah, shit!
Terrible arms. I think we can scooch through here, right, on our right. So stay as high as you can. Because I think we can scooch through right through there. Oh, yeah, right here, Jen. Nice. See, in the shade, the snow's so much different, eh? So just stay up on the right here, like down towards these trees there. I think we're good. And we'll get down to the road. Yeah. Just don't go too far, that's all rocky. I think we're good right here. We're good right here. Just don't go too far over. See the rocks? This is trees. Here we go, right down here. No, you go, I'll get you on camera. Could be some sharks, just saying. Whew. Oh yeah, there's my first sharks. Watch out for the ditch. Oh, I hit some more. Fuck. Oh my god, it's shark land for me.
Pretty small.
Huh? And then, where's the road? I want to get over to the road now. So, don't go down that gully.
Yeah, because we gotta stay off the sharks.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Glade skiing. Woo! Don't forget about the hole. Woo! That's all right. That's definitely different conditions, eh?
I'm happy.
Well, Jen, how was the first, like November 2nd, and we skied freaking powder.
Yeah.
Like you can tell by the smile on her face,
Well,
she's super stoked.
I still rate my fitness level as meh,
Yeah, mine's the
but-
same, but whatever.
but it was an epic day.
Yeah, and lots of good photos. All right, on to our next adventure. Oh, it would just be getting to the truck.
Just gotta go with it.
Gotta go with what?
You can trust us.
Oh yeah. Well, you're sitting here eating it. I'm not gonna not eat it.
It does look
Oh my
nice.
god, that's so good, you.
Of course.
Holy
You
shit.
guys are on it.
Oh, that's good, Jen. It's really good.
Thank you.
It's really good.
Especially after skiing, that's what you guys need anyway.